Hello students, today I will take up the topic of polynomials, which is chapter 2 of NCERT textbook class 10th. I will tell you the general form of a polynomial. Then we will discuss the geometric meaning of the zeros of a polynomial. And I will also tell you the degree of the polynomial and the meaning of a linear polynomial and a quadratic polynomial. So here it is. In general, a polynomial can be written as here the alphabets A, B or any other alphabets F, these are the constants. X is the variable and N is the exponent or the power of the variable. So some examples of polynomial are 2x cube plus 5x square plus 3. Here 2, 5 and 3 are constants. X is the variable and this cube or 3 and this 2 are the exponents. Now let us see what is degree of a polynomial. A degree of the polynomial means the highest power of the exponent of the polynomial. So that means if I write a polynomial (7x cube plus 3x square plus 5), then the exponent of the variable is cube and square. So out of this cube or the power 3 is the highest power. So degree of this polynomial will be 3. Similarly, if I take other examples, if I take up a polynomial which can be written as 2y square plus 4, then degree of the polynomial is 2. I can take a polynomial with variable p. Suppose the polynomial is (20 p raised to the power 8 plus 7p cube plus 5p raised to the power 5). Here the highest power of the variable is 8, so degree will be 8. So this is how we find the degree of a polynomial. Now we will see what is a linear polynomial. A linear polynomial is the one which has a degree of 1. So a polynomial with degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. Its general form will be like ax plus b, where a, b are constants and x is the variable. And examples can be 2x plus 7, 3x plus 5 and so on. Here we can see that the power of x is 1. Nothing written means 1. So the degree of these polynomials is 1. Whenever the degree is 1, we get a linear polynomial. And when we plot the graph of this polynomial, we will get one straight line. Now what's a quadratic polynomial? When the degree of polynomial is 2, then that polynomial is called a quadratic polynomial. The general form of such a polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Examples could be 3x square plus 5, 7x square plus 3x plus 2. When we draw the curve or the graph for this kind of polynomial, then we will get a curved figure, something like this. This is called a parabola. We will not get a straight line, we will get curves. Now, what is the geometric meaning of the zeros of the polynomial? That is, by looking at the graph of a polynomial, how we can determine the number of zeros it will have. So this is your coordinate system, and suppose a graph is given like this. Then we have to observe that this curve is cutting the x-axis how many times? This is the x-axis. This curve is cutting the x-axis at two places. That means the number of zeros will be 2. This will have 2 zeros. In this case, the curve is cutting the x-axis at 3 places. 1, 2 and 3. So the number of zeros will be 3. Here, again, this line is cutting the x-axis at one place, so number of zeros will be 1. In this graph, the curve is not touching and not intersecting the x-axis at all. So the number of zeros will be 0. So like this we can decide and find out how many zeros a given polynomial will have by looking at its geometric representation, that is its curve. So on the basis of this you can do the exercises. Thank you.